welcome to part 3, the final video for Jerry was a race car driver. The first 2 parts, you learn the tap section of the song. In this section, I'm going to show you what I think. I actually learned this by ear, so I don't know if this is right. Tell me anything. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I don't have a distortion pedal on me. I will update this video soon, because I'm going to get a distortion pedal soon, because mine broke. But onward. Okay. It basically sounds like this. Okay. What I did right there is I just went slap on the B string and just slid down on the 9th fret and then slid down. And I do that twice. I just slide, open, slide, and then two slaps, and I kind of mute those because you don't want to let them ring out or it'll be like this, and that doesn't sound right, so I try to mute them with my fingers. And then after that, it's going to be a raking motion on the D and G string. Sorry. And it's going to be a barred rake. And you're going to do that twice. You're going to do the down strum and then the up strum. And then after the up strum, you go to the bar the 9th fret on both of these strings and down fret. So I'll play it all the way through. The little thing I did there is barred on the 12th fret on these 2 strings. And that's just like at the end of it. You do about 3 of these and then the M thing. So all the way through it sounds like this. Another thing, you can have the, and then go to the raking, and after that riff you got the, which isn't very hard to figure out either. And that's pretty much it for the whole song. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Thanks.